Meaning of Henry IV, Parts 1 and 2.
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 Henry IV, Parts 1 and 2. Henry IV, Parts 1 and 2, are two plays written by William Shakespeare that tell the story of King Henry's reign in England. The first part focuses on his struggles to maintain power in the face of rebellion, while the second part deals with his attempts to secure his legacy and create a just society. These plays explore themes such as power, leadership, loyalty, and honor. Through rich characters, intricate plotlines, and poetic language, they offer insights into human nature and the complexities of political rule.